screen clearly now?
Yes, I do.
Okay, one second. Okay. So now basically we have started the concept called packages, right? What is the packages? So basically let me discuss right now. See, basically inside the packages, what do we have? We have all the, so what is the syntax of the package? Okay, let me check if I click on the recording option. Yes, I'll click on recording option. Okay, so syntax of what here? Package. Syntax of PAKAGE package. So what is there in that? Create or replace package. Okay, with the package name. Package. This is what the syntax of package. And inside that one, what we have is, then as, and then what exactly in that one we have what? In that one we can write cursor program, and in that one we can write procedures. In that one we can write functions. Okay, one second. Where exactly it was? We can write functions. Okay, and in that one we can write exceptions also. And end the program. Create or replace package with the package name, and then this is what the basic syntax of what here package. So let's just see the basic example of the package, how we try to execute the package. So let me go to here. Okay, cmd command. Okay, SQL plus slash no log. If I click like this here, then connect what here sys as sysdba, sysdba, SYSPM system. Okay, now I'm trying to create what? I'm trying to create a package now. Okay, create or replace. Okay, what here package? I'm giving any name to that one. For example, I'm giving AD1. For example, AD1 I have given the package name. Okay, is, then I'm putting a two procedure in that. Okay, I'm writing a procedure. Two procedures. I told you, right? We can able to create multiple procedures, multiple
Yes.
functions. So let's just create a two different procedure inside the package, and then we'll try to execute that one, and then we'll try to club procedures and the functions. Okay. So I'm just giving the name of this package, for example, D1. Okay. D1 is my, for example, procedure 1. Okay. Procedure what here? D2. D2 is what here? My procedure 2. And then I'm doing what here? end like this, and then what here? Slash package created. As soon as the package get created, I told you package. After that, we have to do the package body. Same like this, what we did in the procedure. Procedure specification, procedure body. Here we will do like this. Okay, create or replace package. Okay. Now, what was the our package body name? Same thing
81.
given here. 81. Okay, 81. I'm giving here what here as 81 here, and then is, and then here what exactly I'm doing? I'm trying to write the procedure D1. First I will write what is the procedure D1 is. Okay, procedure for example like D1. Okay, procedure D1. If I type like this here is B is, give me like 1 second. Okay, let me close the door. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so procedure D1 is, then what exactly I'm doing here? Began. Okay, began here, and then dbms underscore out put dot put underscore line line, and then I'm writing. Okay, so for example, this is my first procedure. Once I make this one close, that means I have opened the procedure. That means I have to end the procedure, right? End. I'm putting that procedure D1 and then making that procedure as closed. Okay, and then I'm opening one more procedure. Okay, then procedure. What is my one more procedure name? Procedure. One more procedure I'm opening, that is D2. Same thing I'm doing a procedure D2, and again is, then again began, and then again dbms underscore output second procedure. Second procedure. Okay, first procedure D1 we put, second procedure D1 we put here like this, and then end we have opened this procedure. That means we have to close this procedure, right? And see, and D1, right? Then and D2 also we have to put it, right? D2 also we have make this also end. Then end. Then what is package body also what we have created. Now executing the package. Whenever we want to execute the package which are there inside the procedure, how do we do? Now exec package name dot procedure name. Are you getting a point? Whether you
Yes.
write two procedure, whether you write 30 procedure inside, package name dot procedure name, exec package name dot procedure name. Whether you create inside 2 procedures or whether you create across 10 procedures, execution method is what? Exec. What is my package name? My package name is AD1, right? AD1 is my package name.
Mm-hmm.
What is my procedure name? D1. D1 is my what? Procedure name. People say this one like this. Now I told you one set space server out put space on, right? Whenever you're doing personal information, now you put a slash package body created. Now you put here like this, okay? exec package name dot what here? Procedure name. What is that first procedure? Now if I want to execute the second procedure, means what here? What? D2 is my second procedure name, right? D2. What happens? So no matter what, how many procedure you executed, whether it will be 2 or whether it will be 20 or 30, just execution method is same. exec package name dot what here? Procedure name. Still here any questions now?
No, we good.
Now, global variable. Whenever I talk about the global variable, we will assign one package, one value we will assign. That value we will use for the package also and then for the procedure also. That is called as global variable. Okay, global variable. One variable we will describe inside the package. That variable we can use for procedure also. That variable we can use for what here? Package also. How we will use that one? Okay, till now we just saw, okay, inside the package we wrote the procedure, we have executed, that is fine. Now I wanted to implement the functions also inside the package. Okay, now when I want to function inside, let's just see the basic example. You get a very clear idea of what exactly I'm trying to do. Okay, create or yes. For example, I'm putting like a package, any name. For example, I am putting AD5. For example, AD5 is my what here? Package name. Okay, is now any number I am putting what here? Global variable number. Any number which should be globally. Okay, G as one number I am putting here. Okay, that number I am putting the value as size. Okay, double colon equal to I am putting one value as 1000. I am giving G as a number, value as 10,000. This is like a global value which I am passing. That value I am using in procedure also. That value I am using in what here? Packages, or sorry, like a procedure and function. I am using this value inside the package. Now, let's just start one procedure. For example, procedure procedure. Let's take one procedure name. For example, I am putting on procedure name AD. ADN. For example, I have created one procedure called what here? ADN. Okay, here comma. Now function name, okay, function function. Okay, I am putting one function name, for example, as af. For example, any function name we can give. For example, I am giving the function name as what here? F3. No function name as given here, and in that one I am just passing one what here? Number. Okay, number. I told you function always do what? Return the some value. Okay, return the number. Okay, the value means what a number only to return. Okay, now after we did this one functions value we have given, procedure we have given, and we have did like this and this. Once the package get created, we have to specify the value, right? What is our procedure name? Inside procedure, what value we want to provide? This is like a package. Now I'm putting the body now. Okay, create or replace, for example, like package. What is my package name? Package body. Okay, create or replace package body. Here I am writing the things inside my body. What is my package name?
85.
85 is my package name. Now I am putting here is, after I put here is, what is my procedure, procedure. Okay, now procedure, what procedure name we have given here? First of all, ADN, right?
Yeah.
ADN is my procedure name which I have given here. Is, I'm talking about now first about the procedure, then I will talk about the function, and then I will execute the procedure, then I will execute the function. Okay, by using these value, global value we have described first, and then we are calling based upon that value. Okay, now x equal to this one. Now what exactly I'm doing? X number. Okay, inside C, package can also take number calculation. Functions can also take number calculation. You see now. Now what a number I'm putting here like this 10. Okay, number I've assigned here 10. Now what exactly I'm doing? begin begin. Okay. Now I have given g as one number, right? Remember g, we have given one value as a number, x double colon equal to what here? G slash 2. I'm dividing a number. Okay. I'm dividing what here? A number. Now as soon as you divide this number like this here, then dbms. Okay. I'm putting what? dbms underscore output. One second. Output underscore line. Okay, now I'm putting here like this. X, the value of x we have, in that x we have, what I'm doing? Dividing the g value. G is what here? G is 1000, right?
1000.
1003. I'm dividing this value here like this and putting here. Now like this procedure, I've opened the procedure, I'm closing the procedure now. Okay, END, I'm just putting this procedure, I'm making this. Okay, now you did the procedure part. Now you're doing the function part now. FUNCTION function. What is my function name? What we F3, right? Function
F3.
name F3. Okay. A. Then I'm putting here what here? Any kind of number. Okay. Number value right here. Always function do what? Return. RUTRUN return. Okay. Return what here? What? A number only it will return. Okay. Should return me a number. But what number should return is begin. What I am trying to do the function, I wanted to multiply the function. I wanted to return what? I wanted to multiply the function. Now, whatever value I give, that will multiply. Okay, RUTURN return and A value I have given, right? To the function, previously we have given A to the function, right? G we have given a global value, but A I have given to the function. Now you see A into A. I'm giving here like this, A into A. If I given here A into A slash like this, then E and D end. Okay, E and D end. What is my function name? My function name is F3, right? F3 is my function name. I have opened the function name, I have closed this function name and E and D and like violation error. So error. What error happened? 9. And the identifier PS must be hidden. What happened? PS must be hidden. No, okay. Procedure name. We are ending the procedure name, right? We are ending the procedure name. What is my procedure name we have given here? I'm ending the procedure name, means my procedure name is ADN, right? ADN is my procedure name. Okay, not PZ, PN. Not PN is not my procedure name, right? PZ is not my procedure name. My procedure name is ADN. Okay, ADN I have, let me put here like this right now. Okay, copy. Compilation error. Okay, let's just take my package body. Now, once the procedure get created, now I'm trying to execute. exec procedure name dot what here? Package name. Okay, exec. Okay, now exec procedure name. What is my procedure name?
ADN.
AD5. AD5 is my procedure name. Dot. What is my package name? Sorry,
ADN.
my procedure name? ADN. ADN is my what? Procedure name is ADN, right? AD5.ADN. Did we get the value? 1000 divided by 2. How much?
2. 500.
Now, function. Function, when we are executing, I told you always what? Select statement, we can execute what? A function. Select package name dot function name from dual. Package name is what?
AD5.
Dot, what is my function name?
F3.
F3. Okay. Space from DUAL dual.